खबर आ रही है। महाराष्ट्र असेंबली स्पीकर Rahul Narvekar has suspended SP MLA Abu Azmi for the entire duration of the ongoing budget session over his remarks on Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb. The proposal was brought in the Maharashtra Assembly. Azmi has reportedly said Aurangzeb was not cruel and built many temples. He also added the battle between the Mughal Emperor and Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj was into state administration and not about Hindu-Muslim. In fact, now listen in to what he had said on his remarks.
असेंबली चले इसलिए मैंने अपनी कही हुई बातों को वापस लेने की बात कर दिया। मैंने कोई गलत बात तो किया नहीं था, लेकिन उसके बाद भी कि ये सब जो बवंडर चल रहा है, जो असेंबली रोकी जा रही है, असेंबली चले और बजट सेशन में कम से कम कुछ काम हो। कारपोरेशन इलेक्शन पिछले 3 साल से हुआ नहीं है, गलियां खराब पड़ी हैं, बहुत सारे काम रुके हुए हैं। इसलिए मैंने अपनी उन बातों को जो मैंने असेंबली में बाहर कहा था उसको मैंने वापस भी लिया है, लेकिन उसके बाद भी सस्पेंड किया गया।
Nikita Sareen is joining us for more on this story. Nikita, Abu Azmi being suspended for the rest of the assembly session in Maharashtra?
Well, yes, Maharashtra Assembly Speaker Rahul Narvekar suspended Samajwadi Party MLA Abu Azmi for the entire budget session for Maharashtra Assembly over his controversial statement remark related to Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb. The Samajwadi Party leader was suspended after a motion was passed against him in the House by Maharashtra Parliament, and also for the severe criticism for his recent remark related to Aurangzeb, where he said the Mughal Emperor was not a cruel administrator, and he claimed that he built many temples. And also Samajwadi Party member of Legislative Assembly, who is Abu Azmi, suspended from budget session, saying Aurangzeb was not cruel administrator, crediting giving acknowledged for building temples. And now earlier on Tuesday, that is yesterday, Abu Azmi said that his word has been twisted and he was not ready to take back his statement and apologize if sentiments were hurt.
All right, stay with us. In fact, Nikita, more breaking news coming in. Uttar Pradesh CM Yogi Adityanath has strongly condemned SP MLA Abu Azmi's controversial remarks of Aurangzeb and said the person who feels ashamed about the heritage of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj instead of taking pride and considers Aurangzeb as his idol, does he have the right to stay in our country?
समाजवादी पार्टी का नेता, आपका विधायक घोषणा करो ना, उस कमबख्त को निकालो पार्टी से और उसको एक बार यूपी भेज दीजिए, बाकी उपचार हम अपने आप करवा लेंगे। जो व्यक्ति छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज की परंपरा पर गौरव की अनुभूति करने की बजाय लज्जा महसूस कर रहा हो और औरंगजेब को अपना नायक मान रहा हो, क्या उसको भारत के अंदर रहने का अधिकार होना चाहिए क्या? और समाजवादी पार्टी को इसका जवाब देना चाहिए। एक तरफ आप कुंभ को कोसते रहे और दूसरी तरफ औरंगजेब जैसे दुष्ट और क्रूर धर्मांध मंदिरों को तोड़ने वाले व्यक्ति को, भारत की आस्था को निर्ममता के साथ रौंदने का कार्य करने वाले व्यक्ति को महिमामंडन कर।
Nikita Sareen continues to be with us. Nikita, strong statement by UP CM Yogi Adityanath on Abu Azmi as well.
Yes, on Samajwadi Party MLA Abu Azmi's statement on Aurangzeb, which he made, which he later withdrew as well. Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Yogi Adityanath, said that remove that person immediately from Samajwadi Party and send him to Uttar Pradesh, where we will do his treatment. And the person who feels ashamed about the heritage of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, instead of taking pride and considered Aurangzeb as its idol, does he have the right to stay in our country? This all statements were spoken from Chief Minister Uttar Pradesh Yogi Adityanath, and also added that Samajwadi Party should answer this. And on one hand, you keep blaming Mahakumbh continuously, and on other hand, you praise a person like Aurangzeb who destroyed the temple of the country. And why can't you control that MLA of yours? This all statements were made in House, the assembly which is going on by Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, and he asked to immediately remove that person from party.